method. Now in today's lecture, we are going to see the discussion on reactions and reactions of the pyrrole molecule. Now before we actually move towards the reaction, we will discuss a structure of pyrrole in depth. So it is actually a planar pentagonal structure. So this is the structure of pyrrole molecule. This is basically a planar pentagonal structure containing five atoms in its structure, in which the four positions are occupied by the four carbon atoms and one sp2 hybridized sp2s hybridized nitrogen atom is there. The remaining unhybridized p orbitals, see here, these are the unhybridized p orbitals of all these carbon atoms. So the remaining unhybridized p orbitals, one on each ring system, and they are perpendicular to the plane of the ring. So this is a ring present, or this is a cyclic structure occupied by this carbon atom and one sp2s hybridized nitrogen atom. So the unoccupied p orbitals of all these carbon atoms are perpendicular to the plane of the ring. The 6 pi electrons which is given by this pentagonal system, that is 4 by the pi electrons and 2 electrons which is offered by the lone pair of electrons in its nitrogen atom, will cover the sextet of pi electron, and this 6 pi electrons will offer an aromaticity characters to this pyrrole ring system. So this is an orbital picture. This is an unhybridized p orbitals of the pyrrole ring, and the pi electrons which are there in the pyrrole system, they are continuously moving as they are unhybridized p orbitals are there. Now this pyrrole system will give the resonance in its structure. Now the bond length between the carbon and nitrogen atom is too much less because nitrogen is more electronegative. So the bond length in between the carbon and nitrogen is less as compared to the carbon-carbon uh, bonds. So the bond length between the carbon and nitrogen and carbon-carbon at 3 and 4 position, they are less when we are going to compare the bond length with the second and third and fourth and fifth carbon atom. As there is the continuous delocalization of the pi electrons inside the ring, pyrrole molecule is going to show the resonance hybridization, and it is an resonance hybrid of the resonant structure from structure number 1 to 4 with the electron rich carbon atom, which leads to its classification in the pi excessive aromatic heterocycles. So this due to the migration of the double bond at a different position, pyrrole is going to give 4 different resonating structure. Now already we have discussed that pyrrole is going to have 6 number of pi electrons in its structure. So it is basically a weak base. Now why basically it is a weak base? As the rotation of this overlap p orbitals or the excess pi electrons, a lone pair of electrons on this nitrogen, they are basically involved in the offering an aromatic character to this pyrrole ring system. So as it is involved in the offering of aromatic character to the ring and stability, so they are less available. These electrons which are there on this nitrogen atom, that is lone pair of electrons which are there in this nitrogen atom, they are less amount of available for this protonation reaction. And that's why as these electrons are available for the aromaticity and stability of this ring, they are less susceptible towards the protonation. So pyrrole is weak basic in nature. So what's the reason behind that? Why pyrrole is weak basic in nature? They are basic, but they are weak bases in nature. The reason behind that, the lone pair of electrons which are there on the nitrogen atom, they are involved in the offering aromatic character and offering a stability to the ring. That's why these electrons are not available for the protonation reaction, and this is the reason behind that pyrrole is weak basic in nature. Now although it is a weak basic in nature, but sometimes it may offer an protonation reaction in susceptible conditions. So the protonation of pyrrole at a nitrogen atom. So the protonation of pyrrole generally happening at this nitrogen atom position and at C2 position. So the protonation will happening at the nitrogen atom and also at the carbon number 2 position in the susceptible situations. So the protonation of pyrrole at nitrogen is most rapid than that of the carbon 2. So this protonation at the nitrogen atom is more favorable than that of the protonation at carbon number 2. Sometime the protonation will happen at this carbon atom, that is carbon number 3, but it is of to lesser extent. Generally, the protonation will happen at nitrogen atom and at carbon number 2 position. Basically, it is a weak base. They will not allow the protonation, but in susceptible condition, they will allow the protonation reaction, basically at first position and at second position. And these both positions are blocked, or it is occupied by, or it is substituted by another functional groups, then and then only the substitution or the protonation will happening at the third position. Now, pyrrole will undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, after protonation, so pyrrole, as it is an excessive heterocycle, it is easily undergo, make it susceptible towards the, it is easily undergo electrophilic substitution reaction than that of the addition reaction. Because the 6 number of pi electrons which are there in the pyrrole ring molecule, they are continuously rotated in the ring itself. So they will allow the substitution reaction instead of addition reaction. कारण ते जे काही structure आहे pyrrole, so it is totally packed and it is stable structure because it is going to, they are going to give a more priority to show the aromaticity character, and they are going to give the more priority towards the stability of the compound instead of going to the addition reaction. म्हणजे ते रिंग ओपनिंग रिएक्शन किंवा रिंग मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूशन अलाउ न करता this pyrrole molecule is susceptible towards the what type of reaction? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Now pyrrole is undergo electrophilic substitution reaction preferably at second position. The carbon atom which is neighboring to the nitrogen atom, that second position is more susceptible towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. But if this position is already occupied by another substituent, then and then only the substitution will happen at third position, that is 3 carbon number 3. But basically the electrophilic substitution attack at the carbon number second position. So the substitution, if it is happening at the second position, he will allow, or he will give, the structure will give more number of substitution pattern, more number of transition states will be allowed or will be formed when the substitution happening at the second position. And if the substitution happening at the second position with respect to the pyrrole molecule, it is more stable as compared to the substitution if it is happening at the third position. ज्या ज्या वेळी पायरॉलच्या कुठल्याही रिएक्शन्स येतील, that time keep in mind that the second position is more favorable towards any type of reaction. So this is keep in mind. ज्या ज्या वेळी easy reactions विचारले जातील, or when they are going to ask any substitution reaction, डोळे झाकून if you are going to substitute the substitution at second position than that of the third position. This will happen, but it is lesser extent, because at third position the substitution will not, or the substituted product will not be stable. It is unstable. That's why majority of the base, majority of the cases, a substitution will happening at the second position. So if it is attacked at the second position, so the substituted product will be stable with respect to the substitution at the third position. Now, what will be the orientation pattern of this pyrrole molecule towards any type of reaction? Now, the substituent attached to the nitrogen atom of the pyrrole, if the substituent is attached to the nitrogen atom of the pyrrole, that is position number 1, it will not have any appreciable effect unless they are bulky or strongly electron releasing or electron withdrawing. जर substitution nitrogen atomच्या positionला घडलं, then at that time generally हे होतच नाही. But if we are going to allow a stringent condition to happen the substitution at nitrogen atom position, then it must be a bulkier group, strong, एकतर तो कसला असला पाहिजे, a strongly electron releasing group किंवा strongly electron withdrawing group. If we are going to give the substitution or we are going to do the substitution at nitrogen atom, then that functional group must be strongly electron withdrawing or strongly electron releasing. If they are bulky and if they are substituted at this nitrogen atom, they will not allow the substitution to happen at carbon number 2 position. See here, already we have seen the orientation pattern of the electrophilic substitution reaction. See here, majority of the cases the substitution happen at carbon number 2 position. But if the situation is there, already if the situation is there, if we are going to substitute this nitrogen atom or not nitrogen atom, if we are going to substitute any functional group in spite of this hydrogen atom, now generally it will not happen. Then also if we are going to substitute instead of this hydrogen atom any substituent group which must be of bulkier in nature, which is strongly electron withdrawing or electron releasing, then at that time, due to the presence of this bulkier functional group at the first position, they will not allow the substitution to happen at carbon number 2nd position, as due to the bulky nature of this functional group. Then and in that case, the substitution instead of happening at the 2nd position, the substitution happening at the 3rd position of the pyrrole ring molecule. So where we are, it is understood to everybody. Majority of the cases, the substitution happen at 2nd position. But if we have substituted any electron releasing or electron withdrawing functional group at carbon number 1 position, then due to the bulkier nature of that functional group at carbon number 1 position, the substitution will be happening at the 3rd position. Now, second case of the orientation is if electron releasing substitutions at carbon number 2. See, if we are going to substitute any electron releasing functional group. Electron releasing functional groups म्हणजे कसले functional groups? असे functional group की ज्यांच्यावरती lone pair of electrons it is there. Oxygen, acyl functional groups. So these functional groups, if they are already substituted at carbon number 2 of the pyrrole ring, they will facilitate the electrophilic substitution at position number 5. See, position number 2nd and position number 5 is alpha towards this nitrogen atom of the pyrrole ring. ज्यावेळी if we are substituting or if the 2nd position is already occupied by the electron releasing functional group, then in that case a substitution will happen at the carbon number 5 position. While the presence of substitution at carbon number 3, the presence of substitution at carbon number 3 cause the substitution will happen at the carbon number 2 position. See, if 2nd position is blocked, then the substitution will happen at 3rd position. But if the 3rd position is blocked, then the substitution will happen preferably at 2nd position. Now the 3rd orientation pattern of this pyrrole ring is the electron withdrawing substitution at carbon number 2. If we are going to substitute electron withdrawing functional group, that is halides, methyl, amine. If we are going to substitute this electron withdrawing substitutions at carbon number 2 position, they will result in the electrophilic substitution at both carbon number 4 and carbon number 5. See, electron releasing functional group जर carbon number second ला substituent असेल, then the substitution will happen at carbon number 5 position. But if we are going to substitute electron withdrawing functionalities at carbon number 2, then the substitution will happen at both positions, carbon number 4 and carbon number 5. But the ratio of the substitutions of these both substituent agents, the ratio of depending upon the negative mesomeric effect of the substituent at the proportion 4 isomer is more in the case as compared to the 5th isomer. So this is an orientation pattern of the pyrrole ring towards electrophilic substitution reactions. So we will discuss the individual reactions one by one. So the first reaction with respect to the pyrrole molecule is nitration. Now, generally pyrrole will not go for the oxidation reactions, that is nitration, but in certain cases by using a certain different nitrating agent, pyrrole will undergo nitration. Now this nitrating agent with respect to the pyrrole molecule is, it is a mixture of nitric acid and acetic anhydride. So this acetic anhydride and nitric acid, here the mixture we are going to use as a nitrating agent. At low temperature, this pyrrole molecule will nitrate in the presence of this nitrating agent, and the nitration will be happening at second position and the third position. So the pyrrole is nitrated by the mixture of nitric acid and acetic anhydride at low temperature with the formation of 2-nitropyrrole as a major product along with 3-nitropyrrole as a minor product. See, this particular reaction will give the mixture of two products, 2-nitropyrrole as a major product and 3-nitropyrrole as a minor product. Pyrrole, the second reaction with respect to the pyrrole molecule is halogenation reaction. Now, we know pyrrole is going to have a pi-exclusive heterocycle. It is going to be an aromatic character. So this high reactivity of the pyrrole ring system cause it to undergo halogenation reaction strongly and activating positions. The special rearrangement with the mild condition are required for the halogenation. So for the halogenation of the pyrrole molecule, we are going to use sulfonyl chloride in the presence of ether. So the sulfonyl chloride in the presence of ether molecule, pyrrole undergo polychlorination reaction. So this pyrrole undergo polychlorination. First of all, it is chlorinated at second position. But if we are going to carry forward the reaction, so pyrrole is undergo polychlorination reaction to form mono, di, tri and tetra and finally pentachloropyrrole depending upon the quantity of sulfonyl chloride, sulfuryl chloride we have used as a chlorinating agent. So how much amount of sulfuryl chloride is used as a chlorinating agent? त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड करतं की pyrrole is undergo what type of polychlorination reaction, either mono, di, tri, tetra or pentachlorination reaction. Pyrrole is also undergo bromination reaction with a bromine in acetic acid. It gives 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrabromopyrrole. So when it is undergo a bromination reaction in the presence of acetic acid, so it will form 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrabromo derivative. Then it is present in the acetic acid and bromine. Pyrrole is also undergo iodination reaction. So with iodine in the aqueous medium of potassium iodide, pyrrole will form tetraidopyrrole molecule. So when it is undergo iodination reaction in the presence of potassium iodide, pyrrole will form 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrahydropyrrole molecule. See, so halogenation is halogenation. Pyrrole is susceptible towards halogenation reaction. So it is going to form the polychlorinated, polybromination and polyiodination reaction. Now, pyrrole is undergo sulfonation reaction. Pyrrole and its N-alkyl pyrrole cannot be sulfonated under ordinary conditions. So, at ordinary condition, pyrrole is not undergo any sulfonation reaction as they are polymerized by concentrated sulfuric acid. So, under mild condition, they are not sulfonated. They require a stringent condition for the sulfonation. They are therefore sulfonated by mild sulfonating agent, that is pyridine sulfur trioxide. So when pyrrole will react with a pyridine sulfur trioxide for the sulfonation reaction, sulfonated by mild sulfonating agent, that is pyridine sulfur trioxide at low acidity, the reaction of pyrrole with pyridine sulfur trioxide at 100 degrees centigrade provide pyrrole to sulfonic acid. So they will give the formation of product. In the presence of hydrochloric acid, they are going to offer a product pyrrole to sulfonic acid. Now the next reaction of pyrrole is acylation reaction. Acylation of pyrrole produces N-acyl or C-acyl pyrrole depending upon the reaction condition. Basically, formation of N-acyl and C-acyl derivative will be formed depending upon the reaction condition. Now, what type of reaction condition will give N-acyl and C-acyl derivative? Acylation of pyrrole with acetic anhydride. See, acylation of pyrrole with acetic anhydride at 100 to 150 degrees centigrade will give the C-acylation product. And if we are going to take but the pyrrole with acetic anhydride in the presence of a salt, that is sodium acetate, this will allow the formation of buffer system, that is acetate buffer. That means when pyrrole in the presence of acetate buffer solution, an acyl product will be formed. So two types of products are there depending upon the reaction condition. Two different conditions are there. Acetic anhydride at 100 to 150 degrees centigrade, pyrrole will form C-acylation product, and N-acylation product will be formed when we are going to use a presence of acetate buffer. What is acetate buffer? Acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate will give the N-acyl product under the acylation reaction. Now, next and a different reaction is Hoban-Hochev reaction. Now, this Hoban-Hoche reaction, the reaction of pyrrole with aliphatic nitriles. This reaction is basically a reaction of pyrrole with an aliphatic nitrile in the presence of hydrochloric acid. An acyl group at the alpha position of the pyrrole molecule will be joined. So this result of this particular reaction is acylation at the carbon number 2 position, and this acylation with the help of aliphatic nitride and hydrochloric acid is known as Hoban-Hoche reaction. So this acylation in the presence of aliphatic nitride and hydrochloric acid will be happening at the carbon number 2 position. The reaction proceed as depicted in this mechanism. However, if both the alpha positions is blocked, see here, if both the alpha position, that is carbon number 2 and carbon number 5 position is blocked, the acylation occur at the beta position. In the case that is second position and fifth position is blocked, then only the acylation will be happening at the beta position. Beta position means carbon number 3 and carbon number 4. The rate of acylation is decreased if they are acylated as carbon number 3 and 4. If the electron withdrawing substitution is present as alpha position. ज्यावेळी ह्या दोन पोझिशन्स ब्लॉक असतील, दॅट इज कार्बन नंबर सेकंड अँड कार्बन नंबर फिफ्थ, then only the acylation will happen at beta position, that is carbon number 3 and 4, but it is decreased if the electron withdrawing substitutions are there at carbon number 2 and carbon number 5 position. Now a next and very important reaction is Gattermann formylation reaction. Now, what is the meaning of this reaction, that is Gattermann formylation reaction? The reaction of pyrrole with zinc cyanide and hydrochloric acid. When the pyrrole molecule will react with a zinc cyanide and hydrochloric acid, in the C formylation reaction involves attack of imidoformoil. So, attack of imidoformoil electrophile at the carbon number 2 position. If both the alpha positions are occupied, that is second and fifth, then the formylation will happening at the third position. Now basically the reaction proceed with the formation of pyrrole zinc cyanide is converted into an imidoformyl derivative, and this imidoformyl will attack at carbon number 2 position to happen the formylation reaction at carbon number second position. And if this position is blocked, then only the formylation will be happening at the third position. So this formylation in the presence of zinc and cyanide is known as Gattermann reaction. Now the next reaction is alkylation of pyrrole molecule. Now because the high reactivity of the pyrrole ring towards the alkylation reaction, pyrrole is easily undergo alkylation in the presence of sodium, potassium, salts of pyrrole, which will produce predominated N-alkylated products. So, if pyrrole molecule is undergo alkylation reaction in the presence of sodium and potassium salts, then at that time the N-alkylated product is formed. While the magnesium and lithium salts provide mainly the product of C alkylation. If we require the N alkylation, then we take a presence of sodium and potassium salts. And if we require preferably C alkylation, then this particular alkylation reaction will be happening in the presence of magnesium and lithium salts. Now, followed by alkylation, the acylation reaction. Now, this acylation reaction of the pyrrole molecule, acylation of the soft alkali metal ions of pyrrole occur at the position 1. See here, specifically the alkylation will be happening, acylation will be happening at the first position, that is position number 1. The N-acylation with the formation of N-acyl derivative, but facile thermal rearrangement produces a corresponding C-acyl derivative. So when acylating reagent will react with a pyrrole molecule, basically पहिल्यांदा फॉर्म होताना प्रोडक्ट कुठला फॉर्म होतो N-acyl derivative, but this N-acyl derivative then undergo molecular rearrangement reaction to form C-acyl derivative. This rearrangement will be happening in the presence of temperature change, that is thermal rearrangement. So there is formation of corresponding C-acyl derivative. However, under phase transfer reaction, this is in the thermal rearrangement, but in case of phase transfer reaction, the N-acylation takes place without undergoing thermal rearrangement. Now, followed by acylation, the pyrrole is undergo hydroxymethylation reaction. Now this hydroxymethylation reaction is known as Mannich reaction. Now how the pyrrole is undergo Mannich reaction? What is the meaning of the word Mannich reaction? When pyrrole undergo Mannich reaction, if it is reacting with a formaldehyde and a primary or secondary amine, see if they are reacting with a formaldehyde and primary secondary amine in the presence of acid, so there is an introduction of functionalized alkyl group at alpha position will be happening. So there is formation of an hydroxymethylation of pyrrole molecule will be happening in the presence of formaldehyde and primary and secondary amine. Basically, the hydroxymethylation happening at the carbon number 2 position, and if this alpha position is blocked, then only the methylation will be happening at the beta position. This reaction is considered to be involve an electrophilic attack of this iminium electrophile, which is produced in between the reaction with a reaction between the reaction of the amine with the formaldehyde. So when the formaldehyde will react with an amine, so there is formation of an iminium electrophile, and this iminium electrophile will directly attack at the position number 2 of the pyrrole molecule to give hydroxymethylation at the carbon number 2 position. And then if this hydroxymethylation, if the second position is blocked with any functional group, then only the hydroxymethylation will be happening at the beta position, that is at third position of the pyrrole ring molecule. Now the next reaction of the pyrrole molecule is diazo coupling reaction. Now pyrrole undergo diazo coupling reaction very readily with a benzene disonium salt. See, in case of semester third, we have seen how there is formation of benzene disonium salt. Whenever there is reaction between an benzene and primary amine molecule, there is formation of benzene disonium salt is formed, and their significance of this disonium salts we have seen at that time. So this benzene disonium salt is used as an reaction intermediate for the which type of reaction? Diazo coupling reaction. Now, when pyrrole undergo diazo coupling reaction, if it is reacting with the benzene disonium salt, they are going to provide us 2-aza pyrrole if the diazo coupling will happening at the second position only. But if we are going to prolong the reaction, then the diazo coupling will be happening at the second alpha position, that is at fifth position also. That means this will happening at both the positions. If it is allowed at only one position, then 2-aza pyrrole is formed, and if it is allowed at both positions of alpha positions, that is second and fifth, then there is formation of product, that is 2,5 bi-aza pyrrole molecule or 2,5 bis-aza pyrrole molecule is formed if the substitution happens at both positions. Now, the very important reaction of pyrrole molecule is oxidation reaction. Now, we know pyrrole is pi-excessive heterocycle. It is immediately undergo oxidation reaction. So, they are extremely susceptible towards the oxidation. Even in the presence of atmospheric oxygen also, pyrrole is undergo oxidation. This type of oxidation is known as auto-oxidation, which involves a radical reaction. And the presence of electron releasing substituent, that is oxygen, carbonyl, amine. So this electron releasing functional group, if they are substituted in the pyrrole molecule, they will increase the oxidation of the pyrrole ring. And if the electron withdrawing substituents are there, then they will decrease the oxidation susceptibility. So pyrrole will oxidize in the presence of light, in the presence of atmospheric oxygen, in the presence of oxidizing agents also. So these are all the reactions of pyrrole molecule. Everybody please put down your attendance in the chat box. So pyrrole is undergo reduction reaction also. So it is catalytically hydrogenated at a moderate temperature with the formation of pyrrolidium ion. So in the presence of electron withdrawing substituent at alpha and beta position, They will resist the reduction reaction, but the substituent are reduced preferentially, then the pyrrole is undergo reduction reaction also. So this is all about the reactions of pyrrole molecule.